I'm watching a Bond movie. Bond movie, I've grown on Bond. And I've grown on the values of the styles of the shakens and not stirreds. And of course, I am a mad fan of Daniel Craig. And it's a Mendes movie. So, all in all, it's a win-win situation. Not 7. Welcome back.
Excitement, thrill, and action, which is absolutely out of the world. That's been the style and the way Bond films are made. I've always looked forward to a new Bond film. And after Sean Connery, I feel Daniel Craig is the best Bond. And when I saw his first film, Casino Royale, I knew the right Bond has arrived again.
Very excited, and I've been a James Bond fan from the time of Dr. No. Or I'm very happy to be over here. The first time I'm watching the movie in this theatre, and great expectation from the film. I believe the film is opened very well all over the world, and really looking forward to watch the movie.
I'm looking forward to it. I mean, James Bond film is always a source of excitement, so really looking forward to seeing this.
James is, I think, 50 years old. He looks like he's forever young. और मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ क्योंकि I've always been a James Bond fan. और there's no way I would have missed Daniel Craig tonight.
You know, it's very difficult for me to say which is my favorite James Bond because it's a franchise that we've been seeing since childhood, and at different stages of life I've enjoyed different James Bonds. I used to be a great Bond fan, and of the recent ones I must say that Casino Royale has been my famous because that in a way sort of changed the style of action in Bond, changed the way Bond was presented on screen. So in the recent ones I would say Casino Royale.
My favorite Bond would be always Roger Moore and Sean Connery. Definitely the two people are absolutely superb. Goldfinger, the man with the golden gun, For Your Eyes Only, Moonraker, super. And Dr. No, all these films have been watched so many times, and always a great experience. Bond is completely different. It takes you a different trip, you know, and the kind of effects is there, the kind of action is there. It's unbelievable.
Most of the Bond films have always been a pleasure to watch. The thrill is the same. In fact, it gets better and better, and I hope this is even better than the last few Bond films that I've seen.
Well, I have too many favorites. I like James Bond as a genre, and he's actually my superhero. But I'm quite looking forward to Skyfall because I think Daniel Craig is really a new age Bond. So I'm looking forward to him in this film, and I'm looking forward to Javier Bardem. Because I think Javier Bardem is a really powerful actor, and I want to see what he's doing as a Bond villain.
I can definitely think people should make Bond movie because, but you know, the Bond itself, the brand is so big, the franchise is so big. World over. I mean to say, Bond is nothing. Okay, now people are seeing it. I mean to say the Bond which is always been seen. It is from so many years we are watching Bond, and there's a euphoria. There's always a big reaction to watching the movie. The kind of cinegoers want to watch James Bond movie. It's great. Definitely, I think we should attempt James Bond movie here also in India.
I think we have our heroes are all superheroes, and Bonds all roll into one.
Wow, for Bond, I definitely think I would imagine, wow, I don't know, maybe a Shah Rukh Khan. I think he'd make and I think Hrithik Roshan for me would make a he'd make a Bond that could even groove, if you know what I mean.
Well, I mean, at this moment in time, I would definitely say Salman, because Salman, I think, has the charisma and the sheer presence that a Bond needs. You know, so a guy who you look at him, strong, silent, but you know when he sort of goes into action, there's going to be a lot of thrills.